Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to proceed further with words grammar. So today I'm going to tell you about subject, object and predicate. So let's move towards today's lecture. Subject is that part of sentence which names the person, place or thing we are speaking about. And there is also a traditional definition that says the subject is the one who is doer of an action. We can also say that subject is the one who controls the action. So basically nouns and pronouns are, they can be subject because they have tendency to control a function, control an action. Okay. So this it is not necessary that subject can only be a word. For example, as if we see that Ali plays cricket, so what happens that Ali is the word who is doer of an action, and he would be the subject. So there may be some sentences where there can be complex subject. Complex subject means that there can be a group of words present on the subject position. For example, if I say the scientist looked out of the window, so the scientist would be the subject. So scientist is not only the word, we can see that the is attached to it. Then, for example, if I say the man who lived upstairs gave us some sweets. So the man who lived upstairs is the subject, and it is the complex subject. Got it? Then comes object. Object is that part of sentence which receives action. It can be a noun phrase, a pronoun, or a longer complex object, as we can see. We have seen that there are complex subjects as well. So there can be complex objects. For example, if I say, I love chocolate. So the word chocolate is object because that's receiving my love. Okay. So David met Lucy yesterday. When I say that David met Lucy yesterday, we can see that Lucy receives the action because David met Lucy. David met whom? Lucy. Got it? So Lucy is object because it receives action. Now object can be of two types, that can be direct object and indirect object. When I say direct object, it means it is that type of object upon whom an action is performed. And it answers to what? For example, if I say that what did they break? And I get the answer that they broke a chair. So it gives me the answer of what? So a chair would be direct object. Got it? And indirect object is the one for whom an action is performed. For whom, whole action is performed. For example, if I say that he gave me my book to Maria, then Maria, because for her the action of giving book was performed, it would be indirect object. And do remember that it comes with direct object. Direct object was my book. So, and indirect object responds to the questions, that can be stated with whom. For example, if I say he gave my book to whom, I would get the answer that he gave your book to Maria. So that Maria would be indirect object because the whole process, the whole action is performed for her. Then comes predicate. Predicate is that part of sentence which gives you information about subject. For example, if I say Alia gave me a pen, so what would happen that Alia was subject, and I got the information about Alia in the rest part of this sentence, that is gave me a pen, and gave me a pen would be predicate. Got it? So it is usually said that that part of sentence which has verb phrase in it would be predicate. Another example for mother told me a story. If I see that sentence, I can see that mother is subject, me is object because me is receiving the action, that is, whom is told the story? Me. So mother told me a story. Mother did what? Told me a story. So told me a story would be predicate. Got it? So that's all from today's lecture. If you have any question regarding to it, you can mention in comment box. And if you like my videos, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.